Hi there! Let's make a squirrel today. I'm very excited for this activity. Let's see what do we have in our book. We have 4 steps to make our cute little squirrel right here. Let's follow these steps in order to make our squirrel. At first, we are going to make a rough figure, for which we will make a very light drawing. Start by making a circle for the face. Yes, it needs to be on the left bottom corner. Leave enough space at the bottom so that you can make its body, for which we are drawing a circle now. After that, let's make these curves for the hands and legs. This needs to be a very rough sketch at first so that we know which body part will go where. Let's extend the circle and make the front part of the face. And then make its almond-shaped eyes. After that, extend the legs and make both of them. If you've noticed or seen a squirrel, it's very furry. Hence, we will make zigzag lines for the border so that it looks like its body is furry. Let's make good zigzag lines for the tail as well. Yes, its tail will look very attractive then. Make the zigzag lines in a curved manner. Yes, let the zigzag lines turn according to the curved line. Erase the parts which you feel are unnecessary and draw them again. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Give the hands a beautiful finishing touch-up with these zigzag lines. That's lovely. Let's make these lines a little lighter as these are our reference lines for the coloring. We will not sketch this with our sketch pen. Well, now it's time for us to sketch this. Hence, we will take our sketch pen and start sketching the entire drawing. Go very slow while doing it and do not make a mistake. If you're confident enough about your zigzag lines, you need to make it right on top. If you feel your zigzag lines can be better, then you can give it a try with the help of your sketch pen itself. Make the eyes slowly and nicely. And finally, complete the tail by making this properly. We might see a lot of pencil marks here. Let's erase all of them, but not the ones which are made on the body. Yes, we will be taking a dark brown color and start coloring the alternate lines. Let's see how to do this. At first, we will make these lines a little darker, make the outline for it, and then start coloring inside in one direction. Keep the pressure same on top of the pencil so that your color is even. This looks amazing. The next thing we do is make this better. Yes, a little more polished. It is going to be difficult for us to get the same shade in a pencil color. Hence, we are going to take the shade closest to it. Not to worry if you do not get the same shade which is mentioned in the book. Let's release the pressure from the pencil a little and make these light zigzag sections. let's take golden color or this shade and start coloring in the middle. We will color this very lightly at first and then use a yellow color for this part. If you have an off-white shade, you can also use that for this section. Just because we do not have an off-white shade, we are replacing it with yellow color here. Continue coloring the beige or the golden color. Yes, we are going to do an outline first and then color in one line. Let's do a brown shade here as well, just to give a highlight here. Continue doing this color for the tail as well. Highlight a few sections with the brown color and then continue coloring this one. Yes, looks like beige, isn't it? We need to make these zigzag compartments right here in order to give it a beautiful shading effect. Let's do this together. That's brilliant. We are almost done with our beautiful squirrel. Keep going. A few sections still need a little bit of a highlight. Let's do that nicely. Let's color the face in a similar way. And now do the ears. Give it a final finishing touch up. And look at that, your squirrel is ready.